Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project videos. This video is a proof of concept of the DIY project weather station with device control using touchscreen display, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. You will get to see the project working in action. Seeing that this project works would give you the confidence to invest your time and energy in developing it. Let me explain key parts of the project which you will get to learn more about while working on it. Here, we demonstrate the working of a weather station with device control using touchscreen display. This project provides information such as temperature and humidity at a place. The components used here are an Arduino Uno board, 6cm TFT LCD touchscreen shield, DH22 temperature and humidity sensor, current limiter, transistor, rectifier diode, relay and a 5mm LED. Interested in making this DIY project? Refer to the URL below for the complete circuit diagram and detailed project overview. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.